let's make an epic stack of cottage cheese pancakes today. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I have a lot of pancakes as well as family favorite recipes. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can make something new twice a week. This recipe is super easy. The blender makes the batter nice and smooth, but first I'm going to measure my flour directly into my bowl. Let's combine my cottage cheese. Let's put the cottage cheese in the blender and then the eggs. I'm adding a little bit of sugar just to sweeten the recipe. You can omit it if you don't want it. We're gonna add some vanilla extract. We're also going to add some water or milk. Now, I would normally add the baking powder into my dry ingredients bowl, but I wanna make sure that every single pancake has some of that lift that the baking powder is going to give, so I'm going to add it into the blender. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to always add them in my videos for you. And then to that, I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. I'm gonna put the lid on this and blend this for about 30 seconds until you have a nice smooth liquid. Check out what it looks like so you know what to expect. Now I bring back the bowl with the flour and pour this liquid right into it. And I just take my spatula and start to mix it from the outside of the bowl in. Now that my batter is ready, it's nice and smooth, I'm gonna heat up my skillet, or even if you're using a pan, you wanna start out with the surface nice and hot. Even though this is a non-stick surface, now that it's nice and hot, I'm going to use some butter, or you can use oil or spray to grease it. And I'm gonna take about 1/4 of a cup or a little less for each pancake and pour it directly in my hot surface. If you're using butter, you wanna do this real quick so that your butter doesn't brown. Now, I love these cottage cheese pancakes because they have more protein, they're moist, they're delicious, and this recipe ensures that they're always turn out fluffy. You know it's time to flip when you see bubbles forming at the top and the edges are defined, so let's flip them in the same order that I pour the batter in. These pancakes take about 2 minutes on the second side as well, so try to not press them down with the spatula. That's not gonna cook them any faster. In fact, you'll get denser pancakes that way. They won't be as fluffy, so try not to do that. These are ready to go, so let's take them from the skillet onto our plate. Pancakes are the perfect foundation for your favorite toppings. I'm just going to add some fresh blueberries to these and top it up with some pancake syrup. They're fluffy, delicious. They almost taste like vanilla cake with that cottage cheese. Grab the recipe right below this video. See you guys next time.